Peace and blessings, fam. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is West Coast Finest Hair and Dance, and this is my client. These are some before pictures of her hair. Yes, she has been suffering from alopecia for quite some time, and she's come in for a beautiful style. So yes, today I am going to be using the braided protective crochet cap. Yes, this braided protective cap is amazing. It is absolutely the truth. Welcome to West Coast Finest Hair and Dance. Yes, I upload new videos every single week, so please subscribe to my channel. Yes, it's me, your girl T, dropping another valuable video. Yes, click the link below to my Facebook page where you can leave me a message. And please get your order in for our G&G hair growth products. Yes, it's made of 100% all natural ingredients. Our small jars are $10 and our large jars are $20. So yes, our prices are very affordable.
So get your order in today.
So yes, family, today I'm going to be showing you how to use this braided cap and the benefits that come along with it. Yes, this cap is absolutely amazing. It has adjustable straps. It's very sturdy. It's very durable. You can use it over and over again. And I mean, it is absolutely a comfortable fit. So here I have adjusted the straps to make sure that it has a comfortable fit, and I am putting the cap on. I am making sure that it is fitting very comfortable around her ears, and that is another thing that I love about this cap. It's already constructed where it has a shape for the ears. What I mean by that is the ears are already cut out, so you don't have to shave or cut around the ears so that it fits comfortably. This cap is absolutely amazing. I love the size of the braids. The braids are not too big or too thick, and they're not too small. So this is absolutely a great benefit for anyone who has alopecia or just hair loss in the front or at the top, or who have thin hair, and even those who have healthy hair and who just want to protect their hair. So this cap for me is a game changer. If you have not tried this cap, you need to try it. So yes, tap the link below in the description so you can get your order in for this cap. Look how it fits around her ear. Look how comfortable that looks. You can tell that it is fitting perfectly around the ear. I love this cap. It's also a very stretchy material. It's mesh so that your hair can breathe underneath. And yes, ladies, we want to make sure that our hair is breathing underneath. You don't want to smother your hair. So I'm first going to start by sewing this down. I'm sewing down in the back around her neck, and I'm going to go all the way around the edges, and I'm going to sew down to those braids that I created in the front for her hairline. Yes, I created the braids in the front for her hairline. So that is where I'm going to sew down to make sure that the cap is stable, that it's secure, and that it does not move, shift, or slide. You want to make sure that the cap is secure. Once the net is sewn down, it will not move. It will stay in place the duration of her style. This is going to be absolutely gorgeous. And again, I love this cap. If you haven't tried this cap, get your order in today. It is sold on my website. Again, it is a very reasonable, very affordable price, as well as reusable. Yes, ladies, you can reuse this cap more than once. It's not a one-time use and then you have to throw it away. This is the hair that we are going to be using. Yes, ladies, she is going to be getting some what? Curly locks. These are some ultralight curly faux locks. Yes, they are absolutely amazing to work with. I love them. They do not unravel. They do not tangle. They are pre-looped. And here you can see I'm attaching the locks to the braided cap, not to her hair. Oh my God, this is absolutely amazing. You can attach the locks right to the braid. You do not have to put that tension. You don't have to put that stress on her natural hair. You can put all that weight on this cap, which is a great protection for her hair and also gives her hair a break and a rest. So yes, there's no pulling, there's no stress or anything on her natural hair. So this cap is truly amazing. Again, if you have not used it before, or you haven't tried it, try it, ladies, so that you can see how you like it. I'm almost guaranteed that you will love it and you will not want to have crochets without it. This can also be used for a sew-in. Yes, you can use this cap to sew in as well. It is very versatile. So continue to keep watching and see how this beautiful style comes out. I'm going to slow it down. I'm going to give you some very close shots so you can see how easy it is to just crochet on this cap. It is the perfect way to protect your hair, ladies. Again, West Coast Finest, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up. And please tap that bell. Tap that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos, because yes, I upload new videos every single week. Again, watch how easy it is to install the crochet locks on this braided cap. And continue to keep watching to the end so that you can see how this beautiful style was completed and accomplished. Again, West Coast. Okay, family, so as you can see, these curly locks have come out absolutely gorgeous. However, she did want them cut. Due to her profession, she can't have her hair that long, so we decided to cut it like shoulder length. One thing I love about these curly locks is they don't unravel at all. So yes, as you can see, this is the new desired length that she wanted. I cut them and there was no problem. There was no problem whatsoever cutting them. They didn't unravel again, they didn't tangle up or anything. So these locks are very durable. So again, if you have not tried them, please try them. And thanks for watching. I love and appreciate all my subscribers. Please tap that bell again so you do not miss any of my new videos as I upload new videos every single week. And don't forget about our hair growth products and our services. Yes. Introducing our new hair growth oil. Yes, G&G has done it again. This is our 100% all natural hair growth oil. Yes, it is packed with organic hair growth ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, our prices are very affordable, only $15. So yes, tap the link below to order on our website. Yes, get your order in today. G&G Hair Growth Oil.